Hi guys, this is how to remove Google accounts from Android phone. Before we proceed, keep in mind that removing a Google account from your Android phone is different from deleting it. So removing it, you'll be able to still sign into the Google account again, either from your phone or from another device, but deleting it will totally and permanently delete the Google account so that you cannot use it again. Now, to remove a Google account from your Android phone, what you want to do is to open up the Gmail application on your Android phone. It should be around the home screen of your Android phone, but if you do not find it around the home screen, just look for the Google folder. You should be able to find the Gmail application from over there. Go ahead and open it up. And once it loads up, at the top you're going to see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you're going to see all of the Google accounts on your Android phone, but at this point you just want to locate on the manage account on this device option at the bottom over here. Now proceed to select on Google, and then from here you're also going to see all of the Google accounts on your Android phone as well. Proceed to select the particular Google account you want to remove. In my case, it is this account over here. I'll select it. And then at the bottom you're going to see the more option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now just proceed to click on the remove account from the bottom over here. Now click on remove account, and automatically this particular Google account will be removed from your Android phone. That will be all on this video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.